Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best semi-sweet chips is probably one of the most versatile baking ingredients, offering a delightful balance of sweetness and chocolate intensity that elevates any recipe from simple cookies to decadent brownies. Today, we dive deep into the world of semi-sweet chocolate chips, exploring different brands, comparing their melt, taste, and overall quality to help you find the perfect match for your baking needs and preferences, so you can create the most delicious treats possible. Number 5. 365 semi-sweet chips. These baking chips are perfect for all your chocolate cravings. They're made with high-quality ingredients and meet our rigorous quality standards. With 42% cacao, it offers a rich, semi-sweet flavor that's not too overpowering. It's the perfect balance of sweetness and chocolatey goodness. We're proud to offer this product because it meets our high standards. It's free of over 100 ingredients. They are made with premium ingredients, providing you with delicious and high-quality baking chips. Enjoy the rich, decadent flavor in every bite. It's part of the 365 by Whole Foods Market brand, bringing you a wide selection of high-quality grocery items at affordable prices. Make grocery shopping an enjoyable experience. This product is an Amazon brand, ensuring quality and reliability. You can trust it to enhance your baking creations. What we like. This product boasts a rich cacao percentage and meets high-quality standards. If you prioritize quality and a classic chocolate taste in your baking, and need a larger quantity, this is a great option for you. It's perfect for those who appreciate a balance of flavor and value in their baking ingredients. What people say. They are not too sweet, but add enough flavor to contrast the nuts, use pecans, and coconut and enhance the butterscotch chips. Flavor is good and held shape really nicely. The chocolate chips had just the right amount of flavor and weren't super sweet like some other brands. The chocolate chip cookies made with these chocolate chips came out perfect and looked super aesthetically pleasing. Number 4. Enjoy Life Mini Chips. Get ready to experience the delightful taste of our semi-sweet chocolate mini chips. They are perfect for baking or enjoying straight from the bag. This bag is packed with 10 ounces of rich, decadent chocolate chips. It's the perfect size for sharing or indulging all by yourself. These chips are verified non-GMO, ensuring quality and peace of mind. They're made with the finest ingredients. It's allergy-friendly and certified gluten-free, vegan, kosher, halal, and paleo-friendly. Enjoy them without worry. These delicious chips are free from gluten, wheat, peanuts, dairy, tree nuts, soy, casein, sulfites, egg, lupin, sesame, fish, mustard, crustaceans, and shellfish. Made for everyone to enjoy. The premium chocolate is derived from sustainably harvested cocoa beans, supporting ethical practices. Taste the difference sustainability makes. They're made with all-natural ingredients, for a wholesome and delicious treat. Savor the pure, natural chocolate flavor. What we like. It's specially formulated to be free of many common allergens. If you have dietary restrictions or are looking for inclusive baking options, this is the perfect choice. It ensures everyone can enjoy delicious baked goods, regardless of dietary needs. What people say. Enjoy Life semi-sweet chocolate mini chips offer bite-sized chocolate bliss for all your baking and snacking needs. From the first nibble, I was delighted by the rich and semi-sweet chocolate flavor that adds a touch of indulgence to any recipe. The 10-ounce bag provides a plentiful supply of mini chocolate chips, making it a versatile ingredient for various sweet treats. What I appreciate most is that these mini chips are free from common allergens, making them a safe and inclusive option for those with dietary restrictions. The small size made for quicker melting and easy mixing. Number 3. 365 organic chocolate chips. These delicious chocolate chips are perfect for baking all your favorite treats. Made with organic ingredients, they're a wholesome and delicious addition to any recipe. They have a rich, intense chocolate flavor that will elevate your desserts. Enjoy the deep, satisfying taste in every bite. These chips are specially designed for baking, holding their shape beautifully in cookies, brownies, and more. They melt smoothly and evenly. It's a healthier choice for baking, without compromising on flavor. Check the nutrition information for details on fat content. 365 by Whole Foods Market offers a wide selection of high-quality products at affordable prices. It's grocery shopping that feels good, both for your wallet and your taste buds. Discover the 365 by Whole Foods Market difference. It's a brand you can trust for quality and value. What we like. This option offers a higher cacao percentage and is certified organic. If you are looking for a richer, more intense chocolate flavor and prioritize organic ingredients, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who value both taste and sustainability in their baking. What people say. They are creamy with a wonderful chocolate flavor and no aftertaste. Using it to make some cookies and it does taste good. The texture went well with all goodie we made. I was impressed on the quality and taste, not waxy or off-tasting, just pure dark chocolate. My cookies came out great. These chips made all the difference. Number 2. Hershey's semi-sweet chips. These baking chips are perfect for all your chocolatey baking needs. They're semi-sweet, so they're not too overpowering, and they melt beautifully. Add them to cookies, brownies, or even just enjoy them by the handful. They're versatile and delicious. Made with Hershey's signature chocolate, you know you're getting a high-quality product with a classic taste. This pack contains two 12-ounce bags, giving you plenty of chocolate chips for all your baking projects. That's a lot of chocolate. They're easy to measure and melt, making them perfect for both experienced bakers and beginners. Enjoy. From cookies to brownies, these chips are the perfect addition to all your favorite recipes. Get baking. What we like. It provides that familiar, well-loved chocolate chip taste. If you're looking for a convenient and cost-effective way to stock up on a classic baking staple, this is your best bet. The value pack ensures you always have plenty on hand for all your baking projects. What people say. Wonderful for baking cookies, melting chalk. For ice cream, etc. I've already made 2 bourbon chocolate pecan pies. These were essential to the dish. It's nice to find this on Amazon Japan. Was able to make excellent cookies. While American chocolate is not known for being delicious, Hershey's baking chips give you that classic chocolate chip cookie taste. Number 1. Ghirardelli baking chips. Get ready to elevate your baking game with Ghirardelli's premium baking chips. They're made with real cocoa butter and a touch of vanilla for an unforgettable flavor. These semi-sweet chocolate chips deliver a rich, classic chocolate taste that's perfect for all your baking needs. Taste the difference quality makes. Made with cocoa butter, unsweetened chocolate, and cane sugar, they offer the perfect balance of sweetness and depth of flavor. They're simply irresistible. From chewy chocolate chip cookies to decadent brownies, these versatile chips are your secret ingredient for baking success. Let your creativity shine. This value pack gives you plenty of chips for all your baking adventures. It's the perfect pantry staple for chocolate lovers. Experience the superior quality and rich flavor that Ghirardelli is known for. It's the perfect choice for all your baking needs. What we like. Made with cocoa butter and vanilla, it delivers a premium taste experience. If you're a serious baker who wants the best chocolate for your creations, and need a large quantity, this is a great choice. The rich flavor will elevate your baked goods to the next level. What people say. They have a rich, chocolatey flavor and melt easily. Good value for the money when buying more. The chops hold up when baked and don't melt away with a great chocolate taste. Quality is first-rate and versatile enough to use in all baked recipes. The cookies were a massive hit. They usually are anyways, but there was just something slightly different that worked better. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.